So I come to the river for a little peace and relaxation, maybe do a little catfishing. One, two, but no, no peace and quiet. So here they are running around screaming, and there's more by the river throwing rocks. And there's a poor old man sitting trying to fish. Oh no, it's Wayne. I thought I thought it was a poor old guy. It's Wayne fishing.
And I wasn't sleeping this time.
How you enjoying yourself?
Pretty good.
It's a little breezy here. Alright, maybe we hope. The only thing we could hope was late rain and lightning. Can't tell you why. Wayne's got a fish. Whoa, and it's going. Loosen up that drag. How's the drag? I mean, feel it.
Oh, oh, oh.
Feel that drag.
He's going. He's trying to go over there to the trees. Oh, oh, no, no, not yet, not yet, not yet.
I'm losing. Could you go over there?
Yeah.
Thank you. Alright, good. He's gone.
He's done.
Oh no, no! Oh, you're lucky. He came out of there.
Ah.
Where's he now?
Uh oh. Uh oh. Where's he at?
Don't see him.
Where?
It's a carp. Okay, because did you use corn?
Yeah. Well, in this one, no, I used the dough.
Now what are you gonna do with this carp? How are you gonna get him in?
Easy.
There goes the other line.
Is he on that line?
I can't tell you. I don't know.
He's big too, Eddie.
He's a big one. You got fish grippers or anything?
No.
No.
Yeah, he's on his own. That's okay. He's off.
There you go. You're learning. Okay. We'll get you touch the fish. Let's see. Will he touch it? Nice, nice move. Nice moves. Okay. You got it all figured out. Will he get to touch it? There you go. You gonna bring him up so we can take a picture, or you gonna? Or hold on. Let me take a picture of you there, maybe, huh? Now you don't have to bring him up. Hold on. Let me stop this. How's he gonna do this? Do you need my help or anything? Should I get you pliers? Oh, you got it? Okay. This guy did, he did this before.
Yeah, the pliers.
Huh?
Pliers.
Okay, hold on. Camera going. Okay, here you go. What would you do without me? Nice.
Bye-bye. There you go. There you go.
You have a friend for life, Wayne. Happy as could be. Good job, buddy. Congratulations. Just when you said, what did you just say?
Got to go, got to go, got to go.
Since he said that, the fish took off. All right, now we really got to go.